Yes, we will continue with our problem. Already we have seen many results. I hope you gone through it and you memorized it, I believe. So, okay, we will go into the problem now. All the problems that we are going to do from now onwards are important problems. So, as I always say, you should write and practice all these problems. Anything can come in the examination, so don't just go through. Also, you should write and practice. Okay, now we will read out the question. Problem number 42. Find the equations of two tangents that can be drawn from the point 5 comma 2 to the ellipse 2. It is given as ellipse. They themselves have given ellipse. 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 14. Again, children, what is the question? Find the equation of two tangents. We need to find the equations of two tangents which is drawn from this point 5 comma 2 to the ellipse. This is the ellipse. So what we are going to do is, first we are taking the ellipse equation and bringing that in standard form. Ellipse means in the right hand side we will be having 1, right? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Since 14 is present, you divide this entire equation by 14 so that you will be getting this. How we get 7? By 14. 2 and 14 gets cancelled, becomes 7 by 14. 7 and 14 gets cancelled. 14 by 14, you know very well, it is 1. So now this is ellipse. So we brought this equation into standard form of ellipse. What is a square? In ellipse, how we have to choose? A square means bigger number. Smaller number is taken as b square. So a square is 7 and b square is 2. I think you will understand up to this. This is the equation of ellipse they have given. What we are doing, we are bringing that into standard form and writing a square and b square value. What is our aim? Our aim is to find equations of two tangents. From which point? The tangent is drawn from this point, right? From this point, we suppose this is the point 5 comma 2 and ellipse is there. From that point we are drawing two tangents to the ellipse. We need to find those two tangents equation. So we are going to use the formula. So equation of tangent to the ellipse is given by, now can you tell what is the formula that we have seen now? The general equation of tangent to the ellipse, can you remember? Just tell. So this is the equation. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. In the previous class only we have seen this formula. What is this? This is nothing but equation of tangent to the ellipse. Now since the tangent passes through 5 comma 2, because from 5 comma 2 only we have drawn two tangents, which means the tangent passes through this point 5 comma 2. I can substitute 5 in place of x and 2 in place of y in this first equation. So actually this is the equation of tangent. Since the tangent is drawn from the point 5 comma 2, definitely it passes through 5 comma 2. So you just substitute 5 in place of x and 2 in place of y in first equation. So you will be getting this step. How this step comes? In place of y we are putting 2. In place of x put 5. So 5m plus or minus root of a square value is 7. Right? It is written in the previous line. A square is 7, b square is 2. In the next step, just bring this 5m to other side, becomes minus 5m. In the next step, squaring both sides, so put whole square here. If I square here, square and square root will get cancelled, so 7m square plus 2. I have just omitted plus or minus symbol because squaring means it will become plus. So 7m square plus 2. Expand this in a minus b whole square format and bring these two to same side, that is left hand side, equal to 0. I hope you will understand. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Bring these two terms to the left side and equal to 0. So simplify this. 25m square minus 7m square, 18m square minus 20m. 4 minus 2 is 2 equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 2, because all are multiples of 2, and the right hand side is 0. So I am writing dividing by 2, I am writing this 9m square minus 10m plus 1 equal to 0. Factorize 1 into 9 is 9, splitting 9, minus 9 into minus 1. How to split 9? Minus 9 into minus 1. What is minus 9 minus 1? Minus 10. Minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9. You know very well, I need not explain these things because you would have learned this from 8th standard itself. How to factorize, you know very well. Why I am dividing these two numbers by 9? Can you tell the answer why I am dividing by 9? Because coefficient of m square is 9. So I should divide the two numbers by 9. 9 and 9 gets cancelled, becomes 1. So I can write this as m minus 1 into 9m minus 1. 9m minus 1. 9m minus 1 equal to 0. So from these two we are getting two values of m. From this we are getting m is equal to 1. From this we are getting m is equal to 1 by 9. So two values of m we got now. So we will take case 1. First we will take m is equal to 1. What is our aim? Our aim is to find the equation of tangent. So from equation number 1, this is equation number 1. What is this? Equation of tangent. So from equation number 1, we are going to find out equation of tangent is y is equal to, in place of m, what should I substitute? What should I substitute? 1. So you put 1 here. Even in place of m square it will be 1. So just from there I am writing this. So x plus or minus root of, I know a square is 7, I know m square is 1, so 7 into 1 is 7, plus b square value is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, root 9 is 3. So what I am doing in the next step is y is equal to x. I am having plus or minus symbol here. Here I am taking only minus sign. Even you can do the sum by taking plus sign also, or even you can take both and do also. So x, I have taken only minus sign. Root of 9 is 3. I hope you will understand. Even you can put plus 3 and do the sum. So now the answer is x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is one answer. I hope you will understand. Again I repeat, this is actually the equation of tangent, which is the formula that we know. Since the tangent passes through 5, 2, we are substituting x and y value. And doing the simplification, we got two values for m. So we will substitute one by one in first equation. If I substitute m equal to 1 here, I will be getting one equation of tangent. And if I substitute m is equal to second value, that is 1 by 9, in the same equation, it comes like this. Y is equal to, see, in place of m, I should put what? 1 by 9. So x into 1 by 9, x by 9, plus or minus root of a square is 7. What is m square? M is 1 by 9. If I square that, 1 by 81. So 7 by 81 plus b square is 2, right? Because b square and a square we got from the equation of ellipse. So b square is 2. Cross multiply this, 81 into 2 is what? 162 plus 7, 169 by 81. Taking LCM, we are getting this. So y is equal to x by 9 plus or minus root 169 is 13, root 81 is 9. So again here y is 9y is equal to, how 9y I am writing? Because both are same numbers, so I can just cross multiply here. 9y is equal to x plus 13. How x plus 13 comes? X plus or minus is there. Here I am taking only plus. Even you can take minus and do the sum, right? So x plus 13. There we have taken only minus sign. Even you can take plus sign here also. Here I have taken only plus symbol. Even you can take minus. So y is equal to x plus 13, not y, 9y. How 9y comes? LCM is 9, so that 9 will be cross multiplied here. So 9y equal to x plus 13, or x minus 9y plus 13 equal to 0 is the equation of another tangent. So this is one tangent equation, this is the second tangent equation. I think you will understand this. So write this sum and practice. Any doubt you can ask me. Right? Thank you, children.